Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Volvo XC90. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as leather upholstery, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, lane departure warning, and seat memory. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.